Let's dive into the document section. This is where you create, organize, and control all your content. We can create articles in different ways using these 4 tools. Let us have a quick overview of them each. First is article workflows. Here we offer a comprehensive workflow to help you create high-quality articles swiftly and efficiently. The process of this is streamlined to ensure your articles are not only rich in information but also SEO optimized. So if you're creating an article or a blog post, you can use this by entering your own title here if you have one. You can also let it create titles for you. Just describe the article of what it is all about. Then add the keywords you would like to use and be present on your article and click search. After a few seconds, you will see all suggested titles here on the right. Once you have selected one, hit create an outline and you will be directed to a subpage. Here you can see its suggested outline for your article. You can add also another subheader if you wanted to. Edit one or delete it if you'd like. When you're finally satisfied, hit that Create Content button, and the result is created under My Content page on the first row. The second one is the Document Editor. This is perfect for those who prefer full control over their content. Our robust document editor allows you to draft, edit, and fine-tune your articles to perfection. But let's go into details later. The third is one-click article. Do you need content fast? No problem. With our one-click article feature, you can generate an entire article based off a title. It's as simple as that. And for the last one, we have the bulk article generation. This is used for large-scale content needs, a tool that allows you to create up to 2,000 articles at once using just keywords. Yes, you heard that right. So let's have a short demo for you to believe. Here, we will just enter the project name and sprinkle up to 250 keywords in the keywords area, or upload a CSV file to trigger a rain of up to 2,000 articles. You can also make the bulk article generator directly post to your WordPress site. Just check here to connect to WordPress. Then select your WordPress site. Wait for a few seconds until your WordPress data loads completely. And here you will set in your tags, categories, status, and comments. If you want a featured image created from pixels, you can get this checked. Make your article post scheduled to make your day lighter by checking this. Then choose your days of posting, setting up the time of post, and the number of your posts per day. Once done, click Continue to move on the third step, which is adding a AI-generated image to your articles. Confirm by checking it if you want to use it as well as making it realistic. Finally, hit Create Bulk Articles. Then you will be directed to Bulk Articles page where you can see your generated list. And in our case, let's click Show Scheduled Articles to see our created bulk articles with schedule. Here we have our generated articles that are not scheduled. Each article you will see here has their own status, which is the completed in processing. And to see the list of the processed articles, click this one. Then you will see those that are completed and ongoing articles. Now let's check out one of the created bulk article with added AI generated image by selecting Go to Document button. We can notice here that the whole content of the article is now ready and with the generated AI image. And now let's go back to discuss the document editor by choosing one of these created bulk article posts. Here you will see the entire generated article on the workspace, and this left side is where the modes you can use to improve your content instantly. Let me walk you through how to use each mode and tool conveniently. The first thing you will see by default is the normal mode. This section allows you to use the refund your tokens by using the reclaim token button feature. It also displays the title and description where you can freely add and edit the content on your likings. About the tone of voice feature, this is where you indicate the emotion or tone of voice you wanted to be generated on your content. For example, I wanted your content to be in a professional tone of voice, so let's input here professional and save. Experience the power of our platform by implementing your desired modifications. Simply select the section where you wish to insert additional content, then click on the Compose button. And within seconds, witness the instant generation of a professionally toned output with a single click. Let's move to the second mode, which is the power mode. Here you can use different kinds of templates depending on your needs. For example, you would like to improve a section of your content, so you can use this Content Improver template. Simply copy the content you wish to improve and paste it here on the content section. If you want it to be in multiple language, just check it and choose one up to 3 languages. And once you're all set, click the Generate AI Content button. After a few seconds, you can now see the result at the bottom of the content. The third one is called SEO mode. This will let you see your articles ranking on all search engines and can help you increase it even more. Just type the keywords you mainly see most on your article's title and content. In this case, let's try out the keyword feline behavior as our main keyword, then click on Create Content Editor button. Wait until it stops generating and you will see the keywords you generated below. Click on it and here you will see the overall ranking result. You can also delete those you wanted to remove by clicking the delete icon, confirm it, and you're good to go. This is a great guide for you to know if you still need to increase the rank of your work and reach many readers as much as possible. And for the last mode, we have the TDS or text-to-speech mode, wherein you can convert your content into a human-like speech, reading your content aloud. You can choose your engine between Premium, which can produce the most natural and human-like speech possible, and Standard that only produces natural-sounding speech. Then set your chosen language and voice you want to use and hit that Generate button. Once done, click Listen to Speech and you can now try listening into it.
Understanding feline behavior, a guide for cat owners. However, understanding feline
Click once
behavior
again to
can help
pause. You can also download the recorded speech by hitting that download button. We have here our plagiarism checker, which is an invaluable tool that helps you steer clear of copyright infringement by identifying similarities with existing blog posts or articles. Experience the ease and peace of mind it provides in ensuring the authenticity of your content. This tool will show you what part of your content have the same content to other existing content easily. Enhance your content effortlessly with captivating visuals. Our platform offers seamless integration for adding images to your articles or posts, ensuring that your message resonates visually with your audience. With the use of our image search tool, it allows you to search your desired image from Pixabay and/or Pexels. Just type in the image that you wanted to find. Click Search, and you will now see the results. Then click your chosen image and it will be transferred on the left. Now you are ready to use it by dragging the image in any place you want it on your content. After that, click on the image and start to adjust the size of it using the resize % you see on the left sidebar. You can also use plus and minus to increase and decrease its size. To view your history changes, click History icon. Then a pop-up will show containing the list of your history. Scroll down to browse the list, and you can also click and view your chosen history. You want to export your article? No problem. Just click the export icon, select what type of file you need, and you are now ready to download. You can also create your own image instantly with your own idea. With the use of our built-in AI image generator, you can now as if bring your imagination to life. On the prompt section, just type in your idea of what you want to be seen on your image. However, about the negative prompt, you have to put the opposite of your prompt, or rather the things to be avoided from displaying, like mutations. Prompt examples can also help you think out more ideas. While the following settings such as style, medium, mood, keywords, and inspiration are only optional. You can also make it realistic looking by activating the realistic option, and finally hit the Generate button. In no time, you will now be able to see your own created image, easy peasy. In the template section, select all templates. Here we offer over 50+ done for you writing templates to kickstart your content creation. And for this video, let's have the product description for demo. Now on this template, all you have to do is enter your company or product name and what your product is about. Then you can also choose the tone of voice or the emotion of voice you wanted it to be. You can also make your content in multiple languages as well by choosing up to 3 kinds of languages. Once you are satisfied, hit that Generate AI Content button. And just like that, you can now use your generated product description with no sweat. Let's now try creating an image with our own idea. First, click on the Generate menu. Second one is filling up the prompt with your own idea and anything you wanted to see on your image. Same thing with the negative prompt, but these are the things you would want to avoid showing up. Third, the settings below are all optional, but you can indicate what style, medium, mood, keywords, and inspiration you desire for your image. You can also set it to be realistic or not. Finally, hit the Generate button and you will now see the result below. Select the image to transfer it into your canvas. If you want to change the size of your canvas, click Resize at the top, then select the preset size or set it manually. Then hit the Update Canvas Size button to apply changes. After that, adjust your image to your desired position and size. When you're done and ready to export, you can now hit that Download button. Then set your DPI resolution and compression, and choose whatever file type you want it to be. We also have text-to-speech on the main menu that you can use exactly the same on how we did on the document editor. Just type in the text you wanted to generate. It can be a word, sentence, and paragraph. Then choose between Standard and Premium Engine, and your language and voice that you wanted to use. Hit that Generate button and voila! You can now enjoy listening to it and download for outside use. BrainPod AI have an easy Chrome extension ready for you. Just click on it and you will be directed to BrainPod extension link. Click Add to Chrome and Add Extension button to confirm. You will now see it on the top right corner of Chrome extension. Now open the BrainPod's extension. Here you will need an access token for you to be able to use it. Type in your token if you have one and click Authenticate to activate. Or if you don't have one with you, click Get Your Access Token button, Get It Here link, and then click Plus to create your token key, and you can now copy, go back to the added extension, paste it, and authenticate. Once loaded, the first menu is how to use it and will guide you through everything you can do in this extension. Next is we can now use the AI chatbot here just the same as how we use it on the main website. Just type in here whatever message you have in mind like this, and send it. After a few seconds, the results will show right away. Then click this to open the menu and you will see here the generated history that you have created. You can also select them each whenever you want to open and if you ever wish to continue the conversation. For you to go back, go a bit down below and select Back to Dashboard button. By enabling the chat widget, a chat headlight will show. This will allow to use the AI chat bot exactly the same as above extension features, but underneath just like a real chat experience. Lastly, extension can also allow you to easily access all of the BrainPod's template by selecting a template, then filling up the details that you needed and click Generate Content. For a few seconds, you will now have your result that you can use freely without a hassle. Introducing our AI chatbot. It's a cutting-edge conversational agent named Violet, a friendly and versatile AI assistant developed by BrainPod AI. She can assist you in various ways, from answering questions and providing information to engaging in casual conversations. Simply type your queries or prompts, and Violet will generate relevant and coherent responses tailored to your needs. Whether you seek assistance, want to brainstorm ideas, or simply have a friendly chat, our AI chatbot, Violet, is here to make your interactions seamless and enjoyable. If you ever want to delete your chats with her, simply click Clear All Chats and yes, Delete All Chats button to confirm. In the Settings menu, you can manage your personal information, team settings, credits, API usage, and integrations. We also offer integrations with Zapier, and for WordPress, all you need to do is click the WordPress menu under Settings. Then click the Add WordPress Site button above. Fill it up your WordPress website address, username, and password. Now save it and it will show you that you have successfully added your account. You will now be able to see all your added accounts here where you can delete it. Check if it's still valid by clicking the View icon. And lastly, click the Edit icon. You can get your account edited if you ever need to update your account's credentials. But remember, your application password can be created on your WordPress site by going on the User menu. Edit your account. Scroll down a bit, then here you just have to type in your password name. Click the Add New Application Password and you can now use the application password. And be sure that BrainPod AI plugin is installed. Now there are 3 ways how you can use it. 1. On your WordPress, try to create a new post. Then here, place the title that you like and hit the Generate button. After a minute or so, you will now see the generated content that's just perfect for your title. 2. On your Brain Pod, select one of your article that you have to post. Once it is loaded, click that Post to WordPress button. A pop-up will show. First, select what website where your post's supposed to be placed into. Second, type in what category it belongs to. Third, add in your desired tags. Fourth, select what status it will be like, set it as draft. Fifth one is the comment part. You can either set it as open or close. Lastly, if you have a featured image for your post, you can add it right here. Then finally click Post and wait for a second until it confirms it is done. You can see it right away on your WordPress website. 3. When you use the bulk articles, you can also add them straight ahead on your WordPress site by filling up the project name and keywords. Then check this to connect to your WordPress, fill up everything you need, and hit the Create Bulk Articles button. It's that simple.